am working with a group with General Assembly, and this is our final project right here. And the idea is it's called Good Eggs, and the idea is that individuals will be able to report incidences involving police officers to see whether or not they had a good experience with them or a bad one. So we see bad apples right here. So Doc Musley has apparently 5 different people have said that they had a negative interaction with him, and then on this other tab we have Good Eggs, where he doesn't actually show up at all. We have Fedi C is the person who has the most number of praises so far. But I didn't actually really work on a lot of this. Adding incidences, things we can do, logging in, updating our profile. But actually, what I want to show you is some of the development tools that I helped make. So we're going to go ahead and create a new issue here. This is going to take a hot second to do something, and in the meantime we're going to actually go ahead and change this Good Egg to Good Eggs. So I'm going to edit this, and then create a new branch. I'm going to propose my change. And then back on this page, we've noticed that these have actually been added to our GitHub projects. So I'll go ahead and open up that right now. And that shows, oh hey, this is my issue that I created. I'm going to create pull request. And then this is going to run 3 more issues right here. This first one is just building it to make sure that you're not going to create a build that doesn't work. And then the other 2 is to add them to this pull request. So there it just did that, and it automatically puts it to in progress. And then I'm going to give this a hot second to actually build this pull request. In the meantime, I'm going to show you the what this is doing. So this is going to install yarn and then build the pull request. Alright, so now it has been built. So now everything is good. And then we're going to merge pull request. And then look at the actions again. And now this is going to actually rebuild development and deploy it to our S3 bucket, which is where our front end is statically hosted. So it's going to have to do all that stuff. In the meantime, I'm going to look at one of the other things that I did, which is a little less visible, but it is actually the view for the getting the actual number of bad apple incidents and good egg incidents. So this is, I made a few good comments here on this, but it's basically checking, is the officer active? Is the incident a bad apple or a good egg? You have to get, so an incident can have multiple officers, and officers can have multiple incidents. So this is it's a pretty involved query, but I was able to get it done. All right, it just finished up. So let's see if my changes actually made it to development. So I'm going to refresh this page, and there we have it. As soon as I pull the pull request, as soon as I merge the pull request, it automatically updates in development. So that's mainly what I worked on. Thank you so much.